These are the top 4 amazing creatures in the world. And number 1 will blow your mind. Before we begin, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment for insane luck. Number 4, axolotl. This cute creature can regrow its arms, legs, and even parts of its brain. It's basically real-life regeneration. Number 3, peacock mantis shrimp. Don't let the size fool you. This tiny animal has one of the strongest punches in nature and can see colors humans can't. Number 2, tardigrade. Also called the water bear, this microscopic creature can survive freezing, boiling, and even outer space. Unreal. Number 1, octopus. Super smart, masters of camouflage, and able to escape almost any tank. Octopuses are like aliens from the ocean.